Now, Caribbean champions Mount Pleasant and Waterhouse are the latest teams to confirm playoff places in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League following the 35th round of matches. Daniel McLeod reports.
Second place Mount Pleasant FA went into their game against Treasure Beach needing a point to secure a place in the playoffs. But they did it the hard way as they came from behind for a 2-2 draw at Stets. Treasure Beach went 2 goals up with strikes from Johnny Flemings and Daniel Hardy. However, Mount Pleasant fought back with 2 late goals from Krista J. Daly and Rhyme Edwards to secure the points. Mount Pleasant are now on 62 points while Treasure Beach remain in the relegation zone on 31 points.
The team showed character, we were resilient, I think, with a bit more in the final third in terms of composure would have gotten our 3 points.
Waterhouse also left it late to secure their berth with a 1-0 win over Harbourview. Kimani Campbell got the goal in stoppage time. Meanwhile, Montego Bay United extended their lead after a 4-1 win over Racing United at Jarrett Park. Ricardo Ramsey, Dion J. Brown, Tamar Lewis and Devereux Mackenzie scored for Mobay, while Ade Niche got Racing's consolation. Montego Bay are currently on 68 points. Racing, who have failed to secure a win in 7 outings, dropped 2 places to 5th with 56 points.
Try to attack the teams who are travelling from far as early as possible. And we kept that tactics today. And it paid dividend. We didn't allow them to settle, and that was our plan as well.
Yeah, I think it played out in the first 15-20 minutes where we give up 2 soft goals, and it was downhill to uphill task for us there.
Moulins United moved further away from the relegation zone after defeating Arnett Gardens 3-0 at the Constant Spring Sports Complex. Nicholas Nelson opened the scoring for Moulins in the 24th minute. Nelson was then at it again as he made it 2-0 in minutes 35. DeMar McLaughlin closed out the win with his finish in the 71st minute. Moulins are 2 points away from the relegation zone on 33 points. Arnett Gardens' push for a playoff spot has also taken a blow as they sit 7th on 46 points.
Extremely happy. I thought we have been playing well. As I said to you guys last week, we have been creating some good opportunities, and I'm happy that we have started scoring. And we got Nicholas on the score sheet. Last week we had goals coming from all over the pitch, and I thought that was important. The confidence levels are high. The team morale is high.
I think the guys were in it from the start. We tried to get them up to par. Didn't work. After congrats to the Moulins team, I think they used the condition of the field to the best of their ability, and so get 3 goals, and I have to say hats off to them.
Elsewhere, Portmore United move up to 3rd after a 2-0 win over Chapeltown Maroons at Turner's Oval. Portmore are on 59 points, and Tivoli Gardens took down Dumbarton 2-0 to improve their chances of a playoff spot. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.